Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare the perfect baked stuffed eggplant with penne pasta, diced baked eggplant, mozzarella cheese, homemade tomato sauce, and baked to perfection. Don't forget at the end of this video to hit the like button and subscribe so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius and line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil lightly coated with oil. Wash and dry the eggplant and cut lengthwise to make 2 halves. Cut a crosshatch pattern into each of the cut faces of the eggplant halves, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch between each cut, and about 1/4 inch deep into the flesh. Try not to cut the skins, as they will later hold the filling. Place the eggplants on the prepared baking sheet and brush with olive oil and seasoning with salt and pepper. Bake in the preheated oven until eggplant flesh is tender, about 20 to 25 minutes. Bring to a boil over medium heat, a pot half full with water. Once the water begins to boil, make a small slit like an X in the bottom end of each tomato with a paring knife. Then, with a slotted spoon or ladle, carefully place your whole tomatoes in the pot for 1.5 to 2 minutes. For this recipe, I used fresh tomatoes, but if you like, you can use jarred or canned tomatoes to minimize the amount of your work. When ready, transfer the tomatoes to an ice water bath and let them soak until they are cool enough to handle. Once the tomatoes are cool to the touch, remove the skin and dice them into small pieces and set aside. Alternatively, you may pulse them in a food processor. Pulse them 1 second at a time to achieve a chunky consistency. Finely chop the onions, mince the garlic, and roughly chop the fresh basil. In a sauté pan, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the diced onion and sauté until soft and translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the garlic and sauté until softened and fragrant, about 45 seconds to a minute. Stir in the tomatoes and bring to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered for 8 to 10 minutes. While stirring occasionally, use a potato masher or fork to mash the larger tomato pieces until the sauce becomes thick and slightly lumpy. If the sauce get a bit thick, add few tablespoons of water. Season with salt, pepper, fresh basil leaves, and a teaspoon of sugar. Partially cover and cook over low heat for 8 to 10 more minutes. Once done, turn the heat off and set the sauce aside. Bring to a boil over medium heat a large pot half full with water to cook the pasta. When the water is at a rolling boil, salt it and add the pasta. Cook the pasta al dente, or according to the package instructions. After about 20 to 25 minutes, remove the eggplant from the oven and let cool. Once the pasta is cooked, before draining, save about 1 cup of the pasta cooking water to use later, if needed. Once cool to the touch, scoop out the pulp of each eggplant in a bowl, leaving about ½ inch thick shell. Be careful not to break the skins as they will hold the filling. Add to the eggplant ½ cup of the reserved tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, the fresh chopped basil, and a pinch of oregano. Give it a light mix, and stir into the pasta to the mixture. Add a tablespoon of the reserved pasta water if needed. Stuff each eggplant half with the mixture, pressing down lightly to pack it in. Top with the remaining tomato sauce, the shredded mozzarella, and the grated Parmesan cheese. Return the stuffed eggplant to the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. After about 10 to 15 minutes of baking, your stuffed eggplant is ready to serve. Let your stuffed eggplants rest for 5 minutes before serving to allow the filling to set. Pair this delicious stuffed eggplant with a crisp mixed salad, or sautéed mixed green vegetables, or both, and crusty Italian garlic bread. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.